Hello viewers, I'm Kajol and you're watching Tech Passport, and today I'm going to show you install step by step Proxmox virtual environment. At first you're going to download Proxmox ISO. So you at first to go Proxmox main website. Here you can see the website address, and here you can see I'm already download and hosted this ISO with my VMware, and see and show you how to install the Proxmox VMware virtual environment to your own server. Actually the procedure is same, installation procedure is same. Just download the ISO and make it bootable, as bootable image with your any kind of mass storage device like pen drive, and then boot with your main PC like any CPU or server CPU. Then you can see here the installation process, and step by step do it as it is, and then you can done to install this Proxmox virtual environment to your own server. So let's go to see everything I can try to show you here. If you think anything is complex or not done, then write in my videos comment box. And I'm extremely sorry for my bad English, because I am not skilled in talked about English, because my home country is Bangladesh. I am flexible to talk with Bangla. You can see here the IP statistics, how to configure the statistic IP with the installation process. So if you use the dynamic routing system, then you can use the same IP segment for dynamic or statistics. So viewers, if I am going anything, if you think anything you want to know more, then please write down the comment section, and I am trying to help you to install this OS in your system. Thank you very much.